Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Practice Podcast. I'm really glad you're here today. If this is your first time listening, this channel is created to help you practice English in a simple, natural, and relaxing way. Every day, we share English lessons that help you improve your listening, build your speaking confidence, and learn useful phrases for real-life conversations. In today's episode, you will practice listening carefully, repeating naturally, and speaking step by step with me. So take a moment, relax, and get ready. Let's begin today's English practice together. Today's lesson is called Stop Being Silent. Use these English lines in real conversations. Have you ever been in a real English conversation and suddenly become quiet? You understand the question, you know some words you want to answer, but your mind becomes blank. You smile, you nod, you say, yes or okay, and then the conversation stops. If this has happened to you, don't worry. It does not mean you cannot speak English. It simply means you need more ready-to-use lines. In real conversations, you do not need perfect sentences. You need simple lines that help you start, respond, continue, and finish a conversation. That is exactly what we will practice today. I will give you common real-life moments. Then you will learn simple English lines for each moment. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say the sentences slowly, say them clearly, and imagine yourself using them with a real person. Let's start with the first moment. You want to start a conversation. Many learners stay silent because they don't know how to begin, but starting can be simple. You can say, "Hi, how's it going?" Repeat after me. "Hi, how's it going?" Again, "Hi, how's it going?" Good. You can also say, "How are you today?" Repeat, "How are you today?" Or "How's your day going?" Repeat, "How's your day going?" Very good. Now let's make it sound friendly. Hi, how's your day going? Repeat. Hi, how's your day going? One more time. Hi, how's your day going? Excellent. Now imagine someone answers, "It's going well." You can respond, "That's great to hear." Repeat, "That's great to hear." Again, "That's great to hear." Now put it together. Hi, how's your day going? It's going well. That's great to hear. Repeat. Hi, how's your day going? It's going well. That's great to hear. Very nice. Now let's move to the second moment. Someone asks you a question, but you need time to think. This is normal. You do not need to answer immediately. You can use a thinking line. Repeat after me. Let me think. Let me think. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'm not sure, but I think. For me, I would say, excellent. These lines help you avoid silence. They give your brain a few seconds. Now practice with a question. Question. Do you like learning English? Answer. That's a good question. I think English is useful. Repeat. That's a good question. I think English is useful. Again. That's a good question. I think English is useful. Now another answer. Let me think. I like English, but speaking is difficult for me. Repeat. Let me think. I like English, but speaking is difficult for me. Good. You are not silent anymore. You are staying in the conversation. Now let's practice the third moment. You don't understand what someone said. Many learners feel embarrassed in this situation, but asking someone to repeat is completely normal. Use these lines. Repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Could you speak a little more slowly? Could you speak a little more slowly? Good. Now make it more natural. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Repeat. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Again. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Excellent. Now another useful line. Could you explain that in a simpler way? Repeat. Could you explain that in a simpler way? One more time. Could you explain that in a simpler way? Very good. These lines are powerful because they help you continue speaking, even when you do not understand everything. Now let's move to the fourth moment you want to answer with more than one word. Sometimes someone asks, "How was your day?" and you answer, "Good." That is okay, but the conversation may stop. Let's make your answer better. Start with a short answer, then add one detail. Listen, it was good. I finished some important work. Repeat, it was good. I finished some important work. Again, it was good. I finished some important work. Now another answer. It was busy, but I feel happy now. Repeat. It was busy, but I feel happy now. Good. Now practice this pattern. Answer plus detail. Repeat after me. It was nice. I met a friend today. It was nice. I met a friend today. It was tiring, but I learned something new. It was tiring, but I learned something new. It was normal. Nothing special happened. It was normal. Nothing special happened. Excellent. Now let's use the same idea with another question. What do you like to do in your free time? A short answer is, I like music, but a better answer is, I like listening to music because it helps me relax. Repeat, I like listening to music because it helps me relax. Another answer, I enjoy watching videos and learning new things. Repeat, I enjoy watching videos and learning new things. Great. Now let's move to the fifth moment. You want to keep the conversation going. This is very important. A conversation is not only about answering, it is also about asking back. Use this simple line, what about you? Repeat, what about you? Again, what about you? Another line, how about you? Repeat, how about you? Good. Now listen, I like coffee. What about you? Repeat, I like coffee. What about you? I usually study at night. How about you? Repeat, I usually study at night. How about you? Excellent. Now practice a mini conversation. A, do you like coffee? B, yes, I do. I usually drink coffee in the morning. What about you? Repeat the answer. Yes, I do. I usually drink coffee in the morning. What about you? Good. Another one. A, do you like English? B, yes, I do. I practice a little every day. How about you? Repeat. Yes, I do. I practice a little every day. How about you? Very natural. Now let's practice the sixth moment you want to agree with someone. Instead of only saying yes, you can use better lines. Repeat after me. I agree, that's true, you're right, I think so too, Good. Now use them in sentences. That's true. English takes time. Repeat, that's true. English takes time. You're right. Practice is important. Repeat. You're right. Practice is important. I agree. Speaking every day really helps. Repeat. I agree. Speaking every day really helps. Excellent. Now the seventh moment. You want to disagree politely. This can feel difficult, but you can use soft English. Repeat after me. I see your point, but I'm not sure about that. I understand, but I think. Good. Now practice full sentences. I see your point, but I think we need more time. Repeat. I see your point, but I think we need more time. I understand, but I think it depends on the situation. Repeat. I understand, but I think it depends on the situation. Excellent. Polite disagreement helps you sound mature and natural in English. Now let's move to the eighth moment. You need help. This happens in real life all the time. Maybe you need directions. Maybe you need information. Maybe you need someone to explain something. Repeat these lines. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I have a question. Could you help me with this? Good. Now ask for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Repeat. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Now ask for information. Could you tell me where the restroom is? Repeat. Could you tell me where the restroom is? Very good. Now let's practice a real conversation. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Sure. What do you need? A. Could you tell me where the restroom is? B. It's over there on the left. A. Thank you so much. Now repeat line by line. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Could you tell me where the restroom is? It's over there on the left. Thank you so much. Excellent. Now the ninth moment, you want to explain your opinion. Many learners are silent because they think opinions need long sentences, but you can start simply. Repeat after me. I think, in my opinion, for me, the way I see it, good. Now make simple opinion sentences. I think English is useful. Repeat. I think English is useful. In my opinion, speaking practice is very important. Repeat. In my opinion, speaking practice is very important. For me, listening every day helps a lot. Repeat. For me, listening every day helps a lot. Very good. Now let's practice the 10th moment. You want to talk about yourself. This is one of the most common parts of conversation. Use these lines. Repeat after me. I'm interested in, I'm good at, I want to improve. Good. Now complete the ideas. I'm interested in learning languages. Repeat. I'm interested in learning languages. I'm good at listening, but I want to improve speaking. Repeat. I'm good at listening, but I want to improve speaking. I'm trying to speak English more naturally. Repeat. I'm trying to speak English more naturally. Excellent. Now let's do a full practice conversation using many lines from today. Listen first. A. Hi, how's your day going? B. It's going well, thank you. What about you? A. Pretty good. Are you learning English? B. Yes, I am. I'm trying to speak more naturally. A. What is difficult for you? B. Let me think. Speaking is difficult because I get nervous. A. I understand. Practice helps a lot. B. That's true. I try to practice a little every day. A. That's great. B. Thank you. I still make mistakes, but I keep going. Now repeat after me. Hi, how's your day going? It's going well. Thank you. What about you? Are you learning English? Yes, I am. I'm trying to speak more naturally. What is difficult for you? Let me think. Speaking is difficult because I get nervous. Practice helps a lot. That's true. I try to practice a little every day. I still make mistakes, but I keep going. Wonderful. This is real conversation practice, not perfect English, real English, useful English, English you can actually say. Now let's review the most important lines from today. Repeat after me. Hi, how's your day going? That's great to hear. Let me think. That's a good question. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again? Could you speak a little more slowly? It was busy, but I feel happy now. I like listening to music because it helps me relax. What about you? How about you? That's true. You're right. I see your point, but excuse me, can you help me? I have a question. In my opinion, for me, I'm trying to speak more naturally. I still make mistakes, but I keep going. Excellent. Now let's finish with confident sentences. Repeat slowly. I don't have to stay silent. I can use simple English lines. I can ask for help when I don't understand. I can answer with one clear sentence. I can keep the conversation going. Beautiful. Remember, real conversations do not require perfect English. They require courage, simple sentences, and practice. When you don't know what to say, use a line from today. When you need time, say, let me think. When you don't understand, say, could you say that again? When you want to continue, say, what about you? These small lines can stop silence. They can help you stay calm, and they can make your English conversations feel easier. After this episode, choose 5 lines from today's lesson, say them out loud, use them in your own examples, and practice them until they feel natural. Thank you for practicing with me today on the English Practice Podcast. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and remember, stop being silent. Use these English lines in real conversations. Take care and I'll see you in the next episode.